Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your LinkedIn app. To know how to fix or how to solve your LinkedIn, you should just go to Settings. After that, we click Apps, Default Apps, App Settings. Then in this list you will enter to the window of LinkedIn here and you click. When you'll find this page of app info, you click on First Stop and we click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click Clear Cache. Don't click Clear Data because that can cause you errors on your app. And in the end of all these steps, you can turn on your airplane mode and you can wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.